1. Which Indian state hosts the biggest tribal festival known as Medalam in February 2024? A. Odisha. B. Maharashtra. C. Telangana. D. Chhattisgarh. Right answer is C. Telangana. 2. What is India's ranking in the Henley Passport Index for the year 2024? A. 90th. B. 55th. C. 104th. D. 85th. Right answer is D. 85th. 3. Which organizations are collaborating to launch the world's first wooden satellite? A. ESA and Roscosmos. B. NASA and JAXA. C. ESA and ISRO. D. SpaceX and Blue Origin. Right answer is B. NASA and JAXA. 4. Which country's women's badminton team won the title at the Badminton Asia Team Championships 2024? A. India. B. Thailand. C. Malaysia. D. China. Right answer is A. India. 5. According to Niti Aayog's data for the fiscal year 2013-14, the poverty rate in India was 29.17%. In what is the estimated poverty rate for the fiscal year 2023-24? A. 29.17%. B. 15.72%. C. 11.28%. D. 35.41%. Right answer is C. 11.28%. 6. Which entity developed India's first indigenous spy satellite set for SpaceX launch? A. Tata Advanced Systems Ltd. B. Indian Space Research Organisation. C. Bharat Electronics Limited. D. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Right answer is A. Tata Advanced Systems Ltd. 7. By which year has the United Nations Population Fund estimated that India's elderly population will double? A. 2040. B. 2050. C. 2060. D. 2070. Right answer is B. 2050. 8. What is the name of the ancient festival that recently concluded after a millennium-long legacy in Japan? A. Lunar New Year Festival. B. Kokuseki Festival. C. Sominsai Festival. D. Cedar Forest Celebration. Right answer is C. Sominsai Festival. 9. Which family became the wealthiest in the world in 2023? A. Walton. B. Ambani. C. Koch. D. Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. Right answer is D. Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum. 10. What type of missile is a summer air defense system? A. Anti-tank missile. B. Surface-to-air missile. C. Cruise missile. D. Air-to-surface missile. Right answer is B. Surface-to-air missile. 11. Which Indian state leads in electric vehicle (EV) infrastructure development, boosting the highest number of public charging stations? A. Maharashtra. B. Karnataka. C. Delhi. D. Kerala. Right answer is B. Karnataka. 12. According to the Henley Passport Index 2024, how many countries offer visa-free access to Indian citizens? A. 120 countries. B. 85 countries. C. 62 countries. D. 100 countries. Right answer is C. 62 countries. 13. What is the objective of the MoU between the Department of Fisheries and NTPC? A. Enhance fish production. B. Establish new fishing zones. C. Implement stricter fishing regulations. D. Improve fishermen's direct market access. Right answer is D. Improve fishermen's direct market access. 14. Who has been appointed as the non-executive part-time chairman of ICICI Bank? A. Mr. Girish Chandra Chaturvedi. B. Pradeep Kumar Sinha. C. Sandeep Bakshi. D. Arundhati Bhattacharya. Right answer is B. Pradeep Kumar Sinha. 15. Which state government launched the SWAM scheme to empower its youth with interest-free loans? A. Odisha. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Kerala. D. Andhra Pradesh. Right answer is A. Odisha. 16. On which day is World Whale Day typically celebrated? A. 3rd Sunday of February. B. 2nd Saturday of March. C. 4th Friday of January. D. 3rd Monday of February. Right answer is A. 3rd Sunday of February. 17. Where is the 60th Munich Security Conference being held, attended by External Affairs Minister Dr. Jaishankar? A. India. B. United States. C. United Kingdom. D. Germany. Right answer is D. Germany. 18. On which date was World Pangolin Day observed in 2024? A. 16th February. B. 18th February. C. 17th February. D. 19th February. Right answer is C. 17th February. 19. According to the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) report, what was the amount of India's outward foreign direct investment (FDI) commitments in 2nd January 2024? A. $1.8 billion. B. $2.05 billion. C. $2.15 billion. D. $2.09 billion. Right answer is D. $2.09 billion. 20. Which country is actively working on developing a nuclear anti-satellite (ASAT) weapon? A. United States. B. China. C. Russia. D. India. Right answer is C. Russia.